Imagine the sheer volume of tasks piling up, deadlines looming, and the constant pressure to deliver. You're facing a seemingly insurmountable challenge, a mountain of work. Paperwork stacked high, reports overflowing, and the feeling of being buried under an avalanche of responsibilities. Market research, deep dives into complex data sets, trying to extract meaningful insights. Endless emails, a never-ending stream of messages demanding your attention, each one pulling you further away from your core tasks. Data to sort, analyze, and make sense of. It could take days, right? Days that could be spent on more strategic, high-value activities, but what if there was a way to drastically reduce that time, to reclaim those lost hours? You had a digital assistant, a virtual partner capable of handling the tedious, time-consuming tasks that bog you down. Powered by artificial intelligence, an intelligent system that learns, adapts, and anticipates your needs. This AI agent, your tireless digital ally, reads, understands, and extracts key information from any document, sorts and analyzes for you, organizing data, identifying patterns, and generating insightful reports, crunching hours of work into minutes, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters. It's like having a super efficient intern who never gets tired, never complains, and is always ready to assist. And this isn't science fiction. This isn't some far-off dream of the future. It's real, and it's available now, ready to transform the way you work. You don't need to be a tech expert, a coding guru, or a data scientist, or write code. You don't need to spend months learning complex programming languages. These tools are designed for everyone, regardless of their technical background, making your work easier and your results better, boosting your productivity and freeing you to focus on strategic initiatives. AI agents. Understand your requests, even when expressed in natural language. Learn from new info, constantly improving their performance and accuracy, and make smart decisions, providing you with valuable insights and recommendations. This is a leap beyond old automation, a quantum jump in efficiency and capability. Think basic calculator versus supercomputer. The difference is that profound. One follows rules, rigidly and inflexibly. The other adapts and thinks, learning and evolving with each new challenge. The possibilities, limitless. The potential for growth and innovation is truly staggering. So, what's the secret? What's the key to unlocking this newfound efficiency? It's artificial intelligence, the engine driving this revolution. Powering agents that transform your workflow, streamlining processes, and maximizing your output. Get ready to explore this amazing world, a world where technology empowers you to achieve more than ever before. Let's dive in and discover the power of AI. So what's an AI agent? Think of it as your digital employee. Software that uses AI to understand, decide, and act on your behalf. Unlike simple automation, which just repeats instructions, AI agents are like skilled team members. They handle complex requests, adapt to surprises, and even learn over time. Marketers, writers, business owners, scientists, students, anyone working with information can benefit. No computer science degree needed. Many platforms are no code, using simple menus and plain English. You drag and drop and type instructions, no programming required. It's about making powerful tech accessible to everyone. Focus on your goals, not on writing software. AI agents empower your work, saving time and boosting productivity. Imagine the possibilities for your daily tasks. Technology for all, designed to help you achieve more. Ready to see what they can do? Let's find out. Not all AI agents are the same. Each has unique skills, just like people. Information gathering agents are your super researchers, finding and summarizing data from the web or databases. Task execution agents handle repetitive actions, sending emails, scheduling, managing social media. Monitoring agents are digital watchdogs, tracking changes and alerting you to updates. Each type saves you time and energy, letting you focus on what matters. Pick the right agent for your task, like choosing the right tool from a toolbox. Imagine getting a summary of the latest trends or having your calendar managed automatically. These agents work tirelessly, always ready to help. No more manual checking or repetitive work. That's smart working. AI agents tailored to your needs. The right agent makes all the difference. Let's see how to set one up. Ready to build your first AI agent? It's easier than you think. No coding required. Sign up on a beginner-friendly platform. Let's call it Agent Builder. Explore the dashboard, then click Create New Agent. Choose a template, like Research Agent or Web Search. Templates come with built-in abilities. Just tell it what you need. Give your agent a clear mission. Be specific about the topic and type of info you want. Set parameters, how many results, how deep to search, whether to summarize, hit run, or activate. Your agent gets to work instantly. Watch its progress as it gathers and presents results, all without writing a single line of code. It's that simple. AI working for you. Your first agent is ready to save you hours. Now let's make sure you get the best results. So, you've built your agent? That's fantastic. You've taken the first step towards unlocking a new level of productivity and efficiency. Great. Now it's time to make sure it performs at its absolute best. Now how do you get top results? The kind of results that truly make a difference. How do you ensure your agent is not just working but working? It's all about clear communication. The key to unlocking your agent's full potential lies in how effectively you communicate your needs and expectations. Define a specific goal. Be precise about what you want your agent to achieve. Don't just say find articles. That's far too vague and will likely lead to unsatisfactory results. Instead, try something like, find 5 recent scientific articles on microplastics in marine life, focusing on studies published within the last 2 years and prioritizing research conducted in the Pacific Ocean. Clear goals give your agent direction and purpose. They provide a roadmap ensuring your agent stays focused and on track. Provide detailed instructions and context. The more information you give, the better equipped your agent will be to deliver the results you're looking for. Break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes the process less daunting and easier for your agent to follow. Specify sources. If you have preferred sources or databases, let your agent know, and share background info. Provide any relevant context or background information that might be helpful. If it's drafting an email, mention the tone and audience. Is it a formal request to a potential client or a casual update to a colleague? The more context, the smarter the agent's actions. It allows the agent to make informed decisions and tailor its approach to the specific task at hand. Specify inputs and outputs. Clearly define what information you'll be providing and what you expect in return. What info will you provide as the starting point? And what do you expect back as the final deliverable? For research tasks, input might be keywords, specific search terms, or even a sample article to use as a reference. Output. A well-organized list of relevant links and concise summaries of each article. For data entry tasks, input could be a scanned document, a photograph, or even a handwritten note. Output. A meticulously filled spreadsheet with all the relevant information extracted and organized correctly. Clear instructions prevent surprises and ensure you get what you need, saving you time and frustration in the long run. Think of your agent as a literal assistant, someone who needs clear and concise instructions to perform their job effectively. Precision matters. The more precise you are in your instructions, the better the results will be. Good instructions equal great results. It's a simple equation, but one that can transform your agent's performance. Let's see how agents work seamlessly with your favorite tools, integrating into your existing workflows to boost your productivity even further. AI agents are smart, but they're even better when integrated with your favorite tools. Imagine research results saved straight to Google Docs or emails sent from Gmail, no manual copying. This seamless connection is called integration. Many platforms connect easily to Google Workspace, Microsoft Office Trello, Asana, Slack, and more. Setup is usually just a few clicks. For tools without direct links, use platforms like Zapier or IFTTT to bridge the gap. Your agent can trigger actions like adding leads to your CRM or sending notifications. Example, a real estate agent monitors listings, drafts client emails, updates calendars and spreadsheets all automatically. Everything connected, everything automated. Huge time savings, more focus on what matters. Integration unlocks powerful workflows. Let your AI agent handle the busy work. That's smart teamwork. Now let's keep your agents performing at their best. Your AI agents are up and running, ready to tackle tasks and streamline your workflow. They're like digital employees, eager to assist and boost your productivity. But just like any team member, they require guidance and attention to perform at their best. Now keep them sharp. Regular maintenance and fine-tuning are essential to ensure they continue delivering optimal results. Think of it as providing them with ongoing training and development. Regularly review their work. Don't just assume everything is running smoothly. Take the time to assess their output and identify any areas for improvement. Are results accurate and relevant? This is a crucial question to ask. AI agents are powerful tools, but they're only as good as the data they're trained on and the instructions they receive. Check logs to see decisions. Understanding how your AI agents arrive at their conclusions is vital for transparency and accountability, and spot any issues early. Proactive monitoring can prevent minor glitches from escalating into major problems. Don't just set and forget. AI agents require ongoing attention and care to remain effective. Quick reviews catch small problems before they grow. A few minutes of oversight can save you hours of troubleshooting down the line. If results aren't perfect, tweak your instructions or provide more context. Experiment with different prompts and parameters to see what yields the best outcomes. Experiment and adjust. The beauty of AI is its adaptability. Don't be afraid to try new things and refine your approach. Think of it as training your agent. The more you invest in their development, the more valuable they'll become. Try A/B testing. Give 2 sets of instructions, see which works better. This is a great way to optimize their performance and identify the most effective strategies. Stay updated. Platforms often add new features and improve AI models. Keeping abreast of the latest developments will help you leverage the full potential of your AI agents. Small improvements keep your agents powerful and effective. The world of AI moves fast. Keep learning and adapting. Embrace the change and continuously seek new ways to integrate AI into your workflows. Regular check-ins mean your agents keep saving you time, and that extra time can be reinvested in other important areas of your business. Boost your results, stay ahead. Give AI agents a try. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. The possibilities are endless and the potential for growth is immense. The future of work is here. Make it yours. Embrace the power of AI and transform your business for the better.